Invasive weeds in the garden are really a headache, you know. They come up on their own, grow fast, spread everywhere, and before you even notice, they start taking over the space. The worst part is, they eat up all the nutrients from the soil, which our main plants actually need. So your pepper plants or any vegetable you grow start struggling. They don't grow properly. They look weak, and sometimes the yield also goes down. Cleaning weeds again and again also takes a lot of time and energy. Honestly, it becomes tiring after some point. So in this method, we are doing something simple but very useful to stop weeds almost completely and also help our pepper plants grow better. First thing we do is prepare our garden bed properly. We take some well-decomposed manure and spread it all over the soil. Just spread it evenly with your hand or a small tool. This manure is very important because it makes the soil rich. It adds nutrients back into the soil and helps the plants grow strong from the root level. After spreading, just mix it a little bit with the topsoil, not too deep. Just light mixing is enough. Now comes the main trick of this whole method. We take cardboard sheets and cover the entire garden bed with it. Not just the planting spots, but the whole area. This is very important. Many people make mistake here by covering only small areas, but weeds will still come from open spots. So try to cover everything properly. The idea is simple. Cardboard blocks sunlight from reaching the soil. And without sunlight, weed seeds don't germinate easily, so they just stay inactive under the surface. Once the cardboard is placed, we move to planting. Now we take a garden knife and make cuts where we want to plant the pepper seedlings. Instead of making a round hole, we make a plus sign cut like a cross. This is very useful. When we plant, we can just open the flaps easily and later close them back around the plant, so the soil still remains covered even after planting. We gently open that plus-shaped cut, dig a small hole in the soil underneath, and place the pepper plant inside. Be careful with the roots, don't damage them. Just place the plant nicely and press the soil lightly so it stands straight. After that, we fold the cardboard pieces back around the stem of the plant. This way, the soil stays covered and weeds don't get space to grow near the plant. We repeat the same process for all pepper plants in the bed. While planting, make sure you keep a good distance between each plant. Don't plant them too close. Pepper plants need space to grow properly, otherwise they will compete with each other for nutrients, water, and sunlight. Proper spacing also helps airflow, which keeps the plants healthier. After planting everything, we cover the whole bed with mulch. In this case, we are using rice straw. Mulch is very helpful in gardening. We spread a thick layer over the cardboard and around the plants. Rice straw mulch keeps the soil moist for longer time, so you don't have to water again and again. It also protects the soil from direct sun heat, especially in hot days. Another good thing is that mulch also blocks remaining weed growth. Even if some weed tries to come up, it won't get enough strength to grow through thick mulch. Slowly, the mulch and cardboard both break down and become part of the soil. That adds more organic matter and improves soil quality over time.